shopping for them.
We make the strings louder.
So guys, ट्रिप 0 कर लेते हैं. बी ट्रिप रन लेते हैं. So good morning, Salam Walaikum, YouTube, hi. This is Fastto, and it's a Sunday morning ride, guys. Sunday morning ride है. So many people are waiting across the street over here. They are waiting just for me. Let's see guys what happens. I'm not sure if I know anyone from here or not. So many bikes over here. Hi. Hi. Hello.
రైడింగ్ బండి కూడా స్లోగా మార్చేస్తే ఇంకా ప్రశాంతం ఉంటుంది. బెస్ట్ బెటర్ బాబు కాదు. వైట్ కలర్ స్ట్రీట్ ట్రిపుల్ ఆర్ఎస్ పెట్టాడు. క్యాప్షన్ ఏంటి, న్యూ బైక్ ఏం పెట్టాడు. సరే అని చెప్పి వీడియో మొత్తం చూడటం, కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ చెప్పేస్తే తర్వాత ఏంటో చావుకోపి చల్లగా చేస్తారు. భయ్య నువ్వు అలాంటి ప్రతిదానికి రియాక్ట్ అయిపోతాడు యూట్యూబ్లో అని చెప్పి. చూసావు నా మెసేజ్?
చూసా బ్రో, అందుకే రియాక్ట్ అవ్వలేదు నేను కూడా. So guys, we have started around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 bikes are here, and around 2 to 3 more bikes will join us at the other meeting point. This is the city's meeting point. I don't know where we are headed to right now. We have become late actually. And the backfires are awesome guys, and thank you for the last video guys. Speed alert. We have 2 Z900s, 2000 versus 1000 of Kawasaki, one Ninja 300, mine is an Interceptor. So guys, don't forget to hit the like button guys. That's the news. It's versus 650. Sweet. There, Anajib. Manish bro giving tips to the squid. Tips देते हुए ऐसे मत चलाओ, यूज सेफ्टी एंड ऑल, मगर सुनते कहाँ है कोई. There's only one bike on TR. So guys, we'll directly meet at the second meeting point and directly vlog from the second meeting. So guys, we have started. There are around 12 to 15 bikes. There are around 12 to 15 bikes, guys. So I forgot the FC1 है, 1000RR है. There are many other bikes also, guys. जब रुकेंगे so then also just enjoy the cinematics. Try enjoying the cinematics, guys.
A few moments later.
Let's go Ashtik Racing is this 1000 Z900. Bro, where's the sound, bro? So the Z900 and the S1000RR had to fuel up, guys. So we took a stop. We'll reassemble with others, then let's see what happens. इसमें बहुत वो फ्यूल कम था S1000RR में. Z900 में थोड़ा था. We didn't want to take a risk. मैं स्टार्ट किया था vlog, so that time I fueled up. బాధట్లేదు, ఏడ్ చేయట్లేదు, ఫుల్ మామూలు ఆపా. So there was a cop, police jeep behind. They were like stop. We didn't stop. Why should we stop? Because we are going at 40. No one's making a lot of noise or anything. Why should we stop? Mind gets refresh, guys. Refresh हो जाता है, पूरा स्ट्रेस, पूरी स्ट्रेस वर्क पे सब निकल जाता है. So do let me know in the comment down below, guys. Do you also do Sunday morning rides on a bike or a car, whatever it may be? So do you even do Sunday morning rides, or do you just sleep over? Have a few drinks on Saturday night and have a sleepover on Sunday morning, this morning. So do comment down below. Let me know, guys. We are waiting for the other bikes. They have gone up ahead. We took a U-turn. We are back to Vizag. We are headed back to Vizag. We are waiting for the other bikers to come join us. That's why we have slowed down. Maybe there is a breakfast stop in between. I don't know what time is it now. It may be 7:30 or so, as far as I know. I'm not sure. We are just stopping for them. We'll reassemble, then I'll show you what's up. Ooh, yeah, dude. A bit of off-roading with the interceptor. ఇలా అయితే అన్నీ రావు.
ఎలా అయితే రావు అన్నీ రావు లైట్గానే పడ్డా
స్ట్రైట్గానే ఒక లోపల ఒక బయట. So we are here for the photo shoot. Everyone's coming over here. So guys, the photo shoot was done. This was the spot. So now we are headed for the breakfast. We are headed for the breakfast now. पसीने निकल गए भाई मगर. I'm literally sweating. I'm totally wet.
Hey Dad, can I get a hoya?
और आगे पे वाइजर डाउन करेंगे. So everyone's together now. Just one bike. The A registered 30,000 left.
More moments later.
So guys, I met a new subscriber now. He asked me for my YouTube channel. So I just told him Fastto. He was like, subscribe kar dunga. He's a kid, but he knows that it's a motor blog or something. It's good that people know what motor blogging, what YouTube channels are. Good to know. So guys, I had to re-edit the whole video Sunday ride की, क्योंकि there was a WhatsApp group में एक WhatsApp message circulate हुआ था that a special team is appointed to watch all the vlogs. So I had to blur the numbers. I have to take out many scenes. Actually नहीं तो Sunday ride की video was gonna come on Monday. But then I'm recording this on a Monday evening, so maybe you'll get the video by Tuesday or Wednesday, guys. So please be careful of rash driving, illegal driving. They call it illegal driving. Driving with all the gear and driving in groups is known as illegal driving for the cops, guys. So please take care of yourself, be safe, and the COVID-19 new strain is rising again. So please wear your mask, maintain social distance, and always wear a helmet also while you drive, guys. So I hope you like the video. So I'm just gonna end the vlog. I had to re-edit the whole video. I took out many scenes, so you can watch or go through my Instagram feed where I'll be uploading many photos of the ride, because I couldn't upload on YouTube because of the message being forwarded. You can see it on the screen also, the screenshot. I'll post the screenshot of the chat, guys. So guys, this is Fastto signing off. If you're still watching, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and comment down below. और अगर कोई स्पेसिफिक बाइक का रिव्यू चाहिए, सो प्लीज़ डू ट्राई कमेंटिंग डाउन बिलो. विल बी बैक विथ अनदर व्लॉग. थैंक यू, बाय बाय, टाटा.